Hello everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again to my natural studio. So I'm very excited today because yesterday I went to city for buying some book, and me and my another teacher because we teach in the school, you know it very well. So for collecting the book our school, so me and my another teacher went to city, and then I have bought two books and the book is amazing. So today I will show you what book I have bought, and what is the name of this book, and you should read this kind of book. Okay, so after going to my mentioning city, then we have selected the book for our kindergarten school, our school, and then we thought that sometimes we read the book from the mobile phone, but when we read the book from the mobile phone long time, so it's very bad for our eyes. So that's why I thought, yeah, I have to buy some books so that I can read directly this book. So that's why I went to the library, through library, and then I didn't get the my book. So my book was just morning, about morning, so miracle morning. So I have found it so many shops, but I didn't find that. So finally I got the book and I went to the another shop, another library, and after going there I have searching so many times, and then finally I got the book. And the book is, you are watching, there are two books in my hand, on my hand, and one is miracle morning. This is heavy book. So I have studied just one page, and after studying one page I got surprised. Yeah, the book is very nice, and if I read the book page 1 to end of the page, so I will create so many knowledge, I will gather so many knowledge. So this book will be heavy. It has written by Hal Elrod Stave Scott, so you can read as well, because this book will be very heavy for you. It's a motivational book, and how to you will change your morning activities, how to you can write something, so you can make your daily routine, you can make your habit different way. So this book will be very helpful for you if you read this book. So go to near your library and buy this book if you want. So, and after read the whole book, I will say all kind of knowledge what I achieved from the book. I will share with you. Definitely I will share with you. Another book is Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's a very famous book, you know it very well, and you have seen so many times from the YouTube and Chrome browser and Facebook this book, right? So it's a famous book. It has written by Robert T. Kiyosaki. Robert T. Kiyosaki. So I didn't read the book, so I will read the book after completing the book. Just I think it will take just 15 days for completing the book. So after completing this book, then I will start reading this book. So I think it will be more helpful for me, because if you wanna speak in front of the public place, and if you wanna talk with the people, so definitely you have to read this kind of book, because it's a motivational book. And sometimes you feel bored, and sometimes it destroy your power, and sometimes you feel negativity, so it will remove if you read this kind of book. So I will recommend you buy this kind of book. Just I have not come here for reviewing the book, just I shared with you, you can read as well this kind of book. So my dear viewers, I guess this information will be very informative if you read this kind of book. So reading is very important for you, because you are trying to speak English, and you are trying to improve your speaking English skills. So besides, you have to read, and read loudly, okay, and read slowly. Definitely you can achieve your goal. And finally, I will say a great deal of things after completing the book. So thank you so much. I will see you very soon with another time, with another video. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.